Hello everyone, today I am going to show you guys how to make these type of walls with varying thicknesses in Revit. So open new architecture template file, go to component, click on model in place and select wall from this dialog box. Now click on sweep, click on sketch path and draw a path for the drawing of wall. Select measure tool and add a dimension to this path. Assign parameter to this dimension and name it length of the wall. Now go to 3D and select right side of the 3D so that you get an elevation and start drawing the elevation of the wall. After drawing the elevation of wall, assign dimensions and parameters as shown. The purpose of these parameters is that you can edit the sizes of walls whenever you want in your project. Now finish the sweep mode and click on finish model. The wall is now loaded in your project. Select the wall and click on edit type. Now you have these 4 types of dimensions in this dialog box which you can edit according to your requirements. The 3D is now complete. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Also, if you want me to upload any specific tutorial, you can ask me and I will try to upload it as soon as possible. I will meet you guys in the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye and take care, and most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.